follow the road ahead, we can see a zebra crossing and we can see nobody approaching. So it's safe if we keep a reduced speed to go ahead. And carry on going. There's nobody approaching, there's nobody here, we can carry on. Now we've got a bus lane, but the bus lane has no time. That means we're not allowed into that area. So right mirror check and gently drift to the right. Now if two of your wheels enter that lane, you'll get a ticket, so be careful. Brian, the speed limit is 30, okay? A bit more to the right. If you try and keep a constant speed of around 25, I'm happy with that, okay? A bit more to the right, because you're going into the bus lane. Unfortunately, Bradford Council is very good at recuperating fines. Yeah, you get a ticket within a couple of days. Usually within 2 weeks. But they get excited, you'd get it in a couple of days. We're going to follow the road ahead. After the crossing, we're going to get to a set of traffic lights. At the traffic lights, we are turning left. Can I let you do this one on your own then?
Okay.
Yeah. If you get stuck, ask me and I'll point. But we're following the signs for the motorways.
Why does it keep moving forward?
Delivery driver.
Huddersfield, Halifax.
Okay, so we made the left turn. Three things actually. First of all, when you saw the bus lane finish, you should have signalled left.
Okay.
To show that you're going into when the bus lane finishes, you're going into that lane. The second thing you should have done, as soon as you saw the brake, as soon as you saw the bus lane finish and the normal road start at the traffic lights, go ahead. The second thing you should have done was looked into your left blind spot as you're going in, just in case there was an existing bus in that lane coming along the road. Okay. At the traffic lights, you should have, your left signal did come on, but your left signal turned off.
Okay.
So you should have maintained your signal throughout making the left turn. Everything else you did was fine. Okay? We're going to come round and do that circuit again, and this time we're going to get that corrected. If you look at the floor markings, they're very, very faint, but we're wandering into a cycle lane. It's very faint, it's actually there, you'll see it soon. So as you go ahead, if you see a small white lane on the left, a very narrow one, that's for a cyclist. We need to avoid going into there. You'll see it closer to the junction. Again, I go back to the point, lanes are not marked in this city.
And people get failed for the council's failure.
Yeah, absolutely.
Nice.
So we're going to keep to the left. We're going to go ahead now. We can just about see the cycle lane, so we're going to avoid going into that. When I say avoid, it means don't go into it unless it's absolutely necessary. Then we stop where the solid white line, not here, that line isn't a solid line. Here, there, that's it. That one is the white one. The black line that you saw, that's roadworks. That's pressure points in the road or whatever they've installed. I've no idea what it's for, to be fair. But they've dug the road up and they've installed it somewhere. It's very unique what they've done. So they've done it for a reason. Go when you're ready. So we're going to continue following the road ahead and we're going to do that big circuit again.
Okay.
And this time we're going to control our speed a little bit better than what we're doing now. Too fast. That's it.
Yeah, because of the lady.
Yes, yeah. We don't know what she's doing. She could pull out a ladder. I've had somebody, honest to God, open the door and pull out a ladder. God knows how you got it in there. I learnt my lesson a long time ago. And now as we're going down the road, we can see another pedestrian crossing where the van's reversing onto the main road from. So reduce your speed because somebody just walked across with a red jacket. You'll see him in a few seconds. Now carry on, this is too slow. You're making very sudden speed drops. Now carry on because he's pushed the button but he's walked across. And you'll see him on the left over there. That lady there in red. Now this one is a zebra crossing. Now if there's anyone approaching, you won't see them from the right, so be careful. Follow the road ahead. We hate this crossing. He's even parked his car on it. At the traffic lights we are turning right. We are following the signs for the motorway. Motorway signs are always in blue. So it says M606, that's a motorway. So we're turning right at these traffic lights.
Okay.
So let's go into our lane. Yep, this lane that we're in now, signal right. And we're not worried about anyone coming from that side because it's a no entry. We can just turn right. Keep going. We're going to turn right and keep on the left of the road. Yeah. That's it. Keep to left. That's it. You're pulling the wheel too hard.
Okay.
Hold the wheel a bit gentler. When you pull it hard, you change direction faster. Now that the next lights have gone red, take a deep breath, Brian. I don't want to pull you in yet. It's just getting a little bit apprehensive, okay? Gently follow the road up, and when that line disappears, then you come to a stop, okay? So let's move forward a little bit more, Brian. That's our line there, okay?
The one up there?
Yeah. Now we can go. Your lights have gone green. Because then you're obstructing people turning left as well. Because the people on the left filter from your lane.
Okay.
If you want to brake, just let me know and I'll pull you in. I just want to try and do one more circuit with you yet. It's a lot to take in, a lot on your first lesson. I understand it is. But you're doing well, you're coping reasonably well.